We've discussed that snoring. So if you're allowing the jaw to drop forward, snoring, because your tongue, the soft palate needs that tongue to strengthen that as well. Strengthen the soft palate so that when you're sleeping at night, if the mouth's not opening, then the tongue should be on the roof of the mouth, which stops that vibration of the soft palate, which can reduce snoring. I mentioned this, pretty sure it was last week, putting a bit of paper tape over the mouth so that the mouth doesn't drop open at night.